Your heart beats too fast. You must quiet it. What frightened you?
I heard the silence, Master. I felt my whole being diffuse, like a cloud. Then, rain fell from the sky, through me. I was part of everything, yet I was myself.
You have experienced oneness.
Yes, Master. But in this great joy, I felt as if I was dying. That is what frightened me.
You know the lesson of the silkworm?
Silkworm dies, the moth lives. Yet they are not two separate beings, but one and the same.
It is the same with man. His false beliefs must die, so that he may know the joy of the way. What you felt in the silence was real. Something in you is dying. It is called ignorance.